everyone. I experienced this counter in Melon Sandbox where I was in the default and I tried out this mod. Lighthouse. Wait, what's it called? Lighthouse? I forgot. It was a mod that was big. And, oh no, it's Househead, yeah. I got that mod and, when I got that mod and I put it on the ground, it fell through the default map. And I said, what? And then I spawned a melon, fell down. Huh? And then I got a camera, you know, the stuff, the camera screen and the camera, connect them. And I tried to see what's under there. It literally broke. And then when I tried to get under there, like following something, I have a barrier that it doesn't let me see what's under there. And whenever the time when I try to do the camera and the thingy thing, it literally gets deleted. Like, I don't know why. Can somebody figure out this? This is a new ARG, like the ground box. Imagine that.